Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this acrylic nail remover kit. Now, when you get nails, sometimes they are really hard to get off, and instead of going back to the salon and paying more money to get them taken off, you can actually just use this kit to do so. It comes with these different remover things and all of the tools you need to get started. So you actually have your little nail file to where you can just file down the edges of the nail, easily take off any extra pieces that you have. And then you have this remover that you can simply just put over top of your nail, and it will then soak off any of the glue, polish, or anything like that that's on there. And you can actually see it on there. It's kind of got like a texture on there. It says you're supposed to wait for about 3 minutes, and then we're going to use this scraper tool to then scrape off any of the excess stuff or glue or anything. That way it's not damaging your nails at all. They do also give you the alcohol pads and cuticle oil, so whenever you're finished, you can easily polish these up. So I'm gonna let this sit on there for 3 minutes, and then we will take it right off. So now that I've got this on there for a while, you can just use this and easily just scrape down on your nails and get off that polish without doing any damage. I mean, this is coming off really nice. You also have this end that you can get in there and get the edges out, get everything all cleaned up really nice without using any sort of soaking things, wrapping your fingers up. Now, if you did have it on there a lot thicker than I did, you can easily repeat this process and get all of that off just over and over again. And then once you're finished, you can use the alcohol pad to clean it up. You've also got this. Once you turn it, it'll send all that nice little cuticle oil down. Put it on there, clean it up, and your nails are all fresh and ready to go again. This works great, easy to remove your nails.